Hey y'all, it's your girl Andra, and I am back with another video. If you're new to my channel, feel free to subscribe. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to be doing a blowout with my natural hair and showing you guys how I use the Revlon Blow Dryer. I love this blow dryer because it literally gives silk press. But today I'm not going to be doing a silk press. I'm just showing you guys how I use this blow dryer to blow my hair out straight, because some blow dryers don't really do the job, but this one definitely does it for me. So I did start by sectioning my hair. I already did one side. I just wanted to show you guys the second side of how I do it without doing like both sides, because that would just take up too much time for no reason, right? Another thing, I am not going to be talking throughout the entire video. Normally I would, but if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to just leave it in the comment section and I will reply. Okay, I promise. I don't know if it's just me, but every time I do a blowout, I have to braid my hair. Like I have to put it in at least 6 sections and braid my hair down, because that way I don't have the other ones that are not blow dried in my way. I forgot to mention this, but I'm using this olive oil hair serum so that it can make my hair more soft and silky when I'm blow drying. So if you want to use a heat protectant, that's good as well. They also have heat protectants that can make your hair silky, but I just love this olive oil one that I have. I will show the picture on here and post it in the description box as well. I'm not sure if y'all haven't been keeping up with my natural hair journey, but I did start my natural hair journey in April 2023. I did the big chop, and ever since I've just been taking care of my hair. I did damage my hair a few weeks ago, so my hair is pretty damaged still. I'm trying to get it to revert, and I know that's going to take time. So it's like I have to grow this texturizer out first. If y'all didn't watch my last video, I do recommend go watching it, because it's definitely a good video for those who damage their hair. I just love how straight it makes my hair. That's like one of my favorite things about this blow dryer. And I've never had a blow dryer that makes my hair stay this way while I'm going through the whole process of blow drying my entire head. Because normally my hair will start puffing up. As you can see, I'm taking out the braids just so that I can show you guys the full results of my blowout. I know I did not mention this before, but I really was supposed to do a natural hairstyle. But then I decided to just do a blowout. And I don't regret showing you guys at all. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye, y'all.